Hi there. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for another edition of Tobin Talks Real Property. Today we're going to tackle a very basic subject. What is a settlement statement? It's got a lot of names. We can call it a HUD, we can call it an ALTA combined, we can call it a settlement statement, we can call it a balance sheet, but what it really is your receipt for the transaction from both the seller and buyer side, including lender side. It's every detail of every charge of the settlement statement. It records and reflects all numbers. So that means buyer-seller issues between buyer and seller, the price, the deposit, adjustments, tax prorations, condo association prorations, charges, impounds, escrows from the lender side, from everybody's side. It is your out the door, completely detailed statement of the settlement. Settlement is a way of saying a closing, because really, what is a closing? From a buyer side, it's money for paper. From a seller side, it's paper for money. So that settlement statement shows where all the money came from and went to. It's important for tax purposes at the end of the year, because there's a lot of tax filings required, or at least suggested from a buyer side, required from a seller side, that require the settlement statement as the evidence. You'll send that to your accountant. The accountant will know what to do with it. And it's also obviously important from a buyer and seller side to review and approve prior to closing. So that settlement statement is prepared by the attorney, for the buyer generally, the title agent. It's circulated to all parties. Everyone should have a chance to review it and approve it and then sign it before closing. Once it's signed by buyer, by seller, by title company, it is a reflection or confirmation that all parties have agreed to this disbursement. So there's your brief explanation on what is a settlement statement. It's a very important document. Make sure if you're buying or selling that you get it and approve it. If you have any questions, as always, call us. We really appreciate you tuning in. We'll see you next time. Thank you.